Chard, you're like, is there a script? There's never a script. just say it like it is.
Wing it. Just wing it.
All right, I've got Chard with me. There is no script. There's never a script, Chard. He's excited. I'm excited because what happened today?
I'm ecstatic. I mean, this is the final day, in theory.
This is the final day. Today,
Yeah.
upper and lower, top and bottom, Hybridge.
I feel like a whole new person, to be honest.
Can you bite harder now?
Oh, God. Is there a brick you want me to chew apart?
No, I don't want you to chew any bricks. But we're looking at the pictures, right? Can you believe where you started? Back in May?
I can't. I mean...
So we're now 6 months out, really.
I look at those pictures and I feel bad. I feel ashamed. I feel just...
Do you really?
Yeah, it was so bad back then. I wish I'd have done something a lot sooner.
But how did you figure out to come here? I don't even remember what happened.
I just decided enough was enough.
Yeah, that's for a lot of people.
I couldn't take it anymore. And I didn't want it to affect my work life.
Right.
Right? So...
But you had infections in your mouth.
Oh, yeah. And it wasn't like, obviously it didn't start the day before I walked in here.
Right.
It had been going on for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
And eventually I just said, I don't really care what it takes anymore.
Yeah, get it done, right?
Yeah.
So it took us, so you went through a phase where you had a lot of teeth out.
Yeah.
And then you had implants done.
Yeah.
On the bottom first, right?
Yep.
Fresh by memory.
Yep. Oh, no. Yeah, we did the bottom.
Right. The same day the teeth came out.
That's right.
The implants went in.
Yeah.
Right.
And then we went through a healing phase.
That was how many months?
It was at least 2 months.
Right.
It was at least 2 months. And in the end, I think it was definitely worth it. You know, when you first come in here, you're all like, well, we can't do everything same day. Just
Well, you can. You can't. People say it all the time. They're like, can you do teeth in a day?
Yeah.
Well, we do it, but they're temporary teeth, right? Explain.
Yeah.
I mean, the teeth in a day are not your permanent teeth. They're temporary teeth, and in most cases, it's a denture that you wear.
Yeah.
It's a healing. It's a way of healing.
Yeah. So, and I once I got on board with the entire process, and you really come to understand it, you need that healing time.
Yeah.
Because my mouth, everything felt much better.
Yeah.
You know, the infections were gone. Everything was clean.
Yeah. And it's clean now. It looks amazing.
And then the tops went in. The post went in for the top.
Right.
And then there was another healing phase.
Yep.
And all of that, I think, in the end, worked out for the best. You know.
Yeah.
You know, some testing in the middle.
Yep.
You know, in there.
Right. We made some changes too, I think, with your smile. Right. Yeah. We changed your midline. I think we changed.
Allegedly, my nose may be a little crooked. The jury's still out on that.
Allegedly.
Anyway, so we had to straighten that out.
The Rocky Balboa nose.
Yeah. My nose is to this day still crooked, so we're not fixing that, unfortunately.
So we got your teeth where we wanted, right?
Yeah.
And then today was the day that we finalized.
Yeah. And, you know, frankly, today was the easiest day. I mean, it was, you know, it's like when you take a long trip, it seems to take 40 years to get to there.
Yeah.
And on the way home, it's
10
minutes.
Yeah.
And all the way to today has been, I'm so excited for the end. I'm so excited for the end. When is it ever going to get here? And then the last day's here, and you're like, oh.
Well, we're going to lunch next
no big
next
deal.
week. We're going to lunch. Right?
Yeah.
Now you want to have a steak lunch?
You know what? If it's something I have
I'm looking for salad myself. I need to do something.
Well, to be honest, I probably should eat some more salad.
Do you think we're going to have salad for lunch?
I'm okay with salad. Maybe a little bit of chicken.
Salad is a hard thing to eat for people that watch this video. If you're having problems eating salad, you probably, you might be someone that this may be
it's so
indicated for you.
It's so true. For the last several months, I've been avoiding salad.
Yeah.
And I love Greek salad.
Oh, that's what we should have.
Cheese.
I like Greek salad too.
I die for
that. Right, we'll do a little bit of Greek salad.
Yeah,
but you got your teeth. It's been a pleasure working with you. I really enjoy having you in. I don't know.
Yeah,
we're gonna be missing all our jokes, the Canadian jokes, the whole thing, right? Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean,
you'll come back we're gonna adjust your bite if we need to a little bit.
Yeah.
You're gonna work on your speech.
Yes,
There's certain sounds that you're gonna have to develop by reading, right? You can do that. Also, this I was explaining to you. This is. So every person that finishes up with Hybridge gets a model kit. This is actually the models that we make the teeth off of, the original impressions, the healing teeth, Everything's provided in a case. You also will put this in your closet.
Yep.
And as I explained to you, one of the things about Hybridge that's pretty neat is that the foundation, so the implant components and the metal part that's underneath it forms the basis, is really lifetime. You got to think of it as lifetime. The teeth component can wear just like your own natural teeth,
Sure.
but they could be retreaded and redone in a period of just a few days at the cost of about 3 crowns.
Yeah.
So you can get like 12 teeth redone in a matter of days at the lab, and we just screw them back in at the cost of like 3 crowns. So it's a big advancement in dentistry. What's happening in Hybridge, the advances that are going on are really life changing for a lot of people.
Yeah,
and you're one of them.
It's life changing because I feel confident. I'm so looking forward to eating normal meals.
Yeah, you're there.
I mean, just not having to worry about chewing, is a big thing.
Just go easy. Okay?
Yeah.
Don't go crazy right away.
Yeah.
Don't go crazy. But we're gonna look at your pictures.
So
you're before.
but Saturday I'm going to the steakhouse, so we gotta figure out how to make this work.
All right.
Ask him if he's gonna miss the country music.
Oh yeah, Chard. What are you gonna do? No more country music during your visits. Are you gonna start listening to it in your car? Little Eric Church, Kenny Chesney.
I got it pre-programmed now in the car.
No, you don't. Come on, tell me the truth. You hate country music. That was the worst part of your visits, was the country music. I know.
Come on.
No, I know. I heard it. I heard it through the grapevine.
Sitting here in the chair all that time and trying to stay awake while you're working on everything, listening to country music. I mean, just lull you into a lullaby.
It could have been worse. It could have been me singing. You don't want that. Anyway, here's what we start with. There's your teeth right up there, my friend.
Yeah, I mean, I can't even believe that's my mouth.
We really had a lot of work to do. And so what we had to do was get rid of the old and in with the new is really what it was. It was just time. It was time for a new set of teeth. And that's what you have.
Yeah, I mean, that's just unacceptable. And I only wish I'd have done it a lot sooner.
Well, you didn't know where to go. That's part of the problem, right? Or you didn't know what to do.
Yeah.
Was it more not knowing what?
I mean, to be honest, I mean, I had an idea of what was, everybody has an idea of what it's going to take, and I did go to other places to meet the dentist.
You did?
Meet the organization, absolutely.
You didn't tell me that.
Well,
You tell me that now.
But and you know what? Part of what sold me was you. And this place is very open,
even
comfortable.
Even Allison?
Well, she's a little tough, but no, everybody is great here.
Thanks. That means a lot to us.
Yeah, and I felt very comfortable right from day one.
That's great.
And
this is our mission to help people like you.
I mean,
we feed off this.
Yeah, I feel great. Everybody's a lot of fun here. It's not just come in, sit down, and start the job.
Right. Yeah. Oh, we're in it together.
Good experience.
Good stuff. And now you love country music.
Yeah, I'm on board.
It's a beautiful thing.
Oh.
All right, see you guys.
Thank you very much.